Hello everyone, I'm Danny Wong, the technical engineer from Shenzhen Zuanzhan Technology. Today, we are going to test this 10x mini camera module, TAMRON MP3010M-EV. Let's look at the size of this camera. It's relatively small, the size are compact and the weight is light. When we place it on a business card for comparison, its width is almost the same as that of the card. Then if we stand it up, it's a relatively small device. Please note that there are no markings on it, so make sure you recognize this appearance as the MP3010M-EV. Let's take a look. This is the appearance of the TAMRON MP3010M-EV. The specifications include a resolution of 19201080p, a 10x optical zoom with a focal length range of 333, and an aperture range of f1.8-3.4. The output size of the FEDs is 334359, and it weighs approximately 70 grams, which is 7 grams lighter than its predecessor. The size is as shown here, and the interface is located here. Let's proceed to connect and display the image. Today, we have prepared a USB 3.0 interface board that is developed and manufactured by us. Insert the USB cable into it. Turn on the image, and there it is. The image is now displayed. Let's take a look and control the camera's zoom in and out through the serial port. This view is quite close up. Let's move it further away. You can see people hanging clothes up there. That's it for the setup. Thank you, everyone.